So today we're gonna install a transmission crossmember and a drive shaft safety loop, and then another new drive shaft. This is the same one that I had before. I got a different slip yoke on it though. Got a Sonax on there now, so chromoly. So it's a little bit tighter tolerances than the other one that I pulled off. I get this thing up in the air. It shouldn't really take that long, but oh yeah, I'll record everything. Alright, so I got them unboxed. I got two different name brands here. The drive shaft safety loop is a UMI. I like their design. It's a two-piece and it's pretty easy. I like it. Next one, this is a BMR. The only reason I went with BMR is because I have a BMR torque arm. Packaging. UMI kicks ass. Yeah, BMR, dude, step your game up. Come on, dude. Seriously, dude. Like, dude, they give me stickers and everything. You don't even give me a damn sticker. Like, I can't recommend them. Sorry. I'm just joking. BMR's cool. Come on, but come on. Like, step your game up. At least on the packaging. I mean, come on. Alright, I got them both unwrapped. Again, UMI, BMR. Pretty red. Love red. I mean, I'm never going to see it. It's probably going to get dirty anyway. UMI comes with stickers. BMR doesn't. Man, shame. I love stickers. Welds. They look great. Better than what I can do. Not going to judge them on that, but hopefully they fit good. I believe they will. I haven't read any bad reviews on them, but let's get this thing up in the air and get this thing done. Alright, got it up in the air. Got it on some race ramps. Gotta take this drive shaft out. And most of the work's gonna be up there, but not too bad. Let's get this thing out real quick. Okay. Alright, busting loose. Just a couple of 9/16 nuts. Sometimes these are pretty tight in there, and I imagine this one is, so you gotta kind of try it out. Face. There we go. Alright, so shaft's out. That's easy. I got a little leakage. So I'm replacing this cross member right here, and I'm getting this torque arm right here off of the transmission. So if you start launching them hard, it'll break the back housing of the transmission, which is not a good thing. So the safety loop actually attaches to this old G-force brace, and it'll go about right here. So it's a little two-piece design, and then the cross member is going to be pretty easy too. It's a couple of bolts right there. Support the tranny with a jack and just go down, man. It's pretty easy. Setting this up might be a pain in the ass, but I think I got it. Alright, a couple of things. They're just 15s, so there's 3 of them total. It's 1, 2, this one's a double-sided one, so you have to get a wrench on that side. And then there's a third one hidden right there. That one's not fun, but that one clamps the whole thing together. That's on a stock setup, so I'll get this thing busted loose and out of here. And I think we'll just do the tranny crossmember first, since that's the hardest. This is a couple of 13s right there. I think this is a 16 or something. I don't know what size these are. Whatever. Pops right out, and the new one goes in. And then this one's the pain in the ass to get to. It's up there. Yeah. Shallow 15mm on this one. A nice 80 tooth ratchet does the trick. And it's almost out. Alright, so I finally got the torque arm out. I had to take it out. I forgot about that, but got that out. That was not fun. But you can see where this pile of crap, the quick performance bracket, just slams against the ass into your car every time you hit a bump. Good design, quick performance. So I got some Moser mounts. I'm gonna weld to this, and it's gonna move the whole torque arm. and it'll get it off of this right here, because this thing's a piece of shit. Alright, so I got the old one out. I got the tranny holding, or I got the jack holding the tranny up. There's a new one, about to slap it in there. Shouldn't be that hard, really. This wasn't hard at all. This is time consuming, just laying on your back and cursing. So let's get this thing in there. I got that in there. This wasn't fun. I had to get a pry bar and pry down my crappy Y pipe here that is homemade. Oh yeah, look at them welds. That thing's solid as a rock though. But let me button this up. I got that bolt in there. Gonna tighten those up. It uses the stock hardware, it looks like, except for the mount for the torque arm. But you can see how it mounts though. It gets all that torque and everything off that rear housing there, so you don't have any problems out of that. Plus it's red. I mean, how can you turn down red? Oh, so pretty. That wasn't that bad. That's not terrible. Good quality stuff, man. I mean, I applaud BMR for that. But your packaging sucks, and you don't have any stickers, which sucks too. Give me a damn sticker and pack it better. But hey, it ended up good. But hey, good job, BMR. Seriously, your product's awesome. Just give me some stickers. Next up, man, I got a lot of oil under here. Jesus, that's terrible. That's how you know you're working on an LT1 with a lot of miles. There's a ton of oil under it, and then my little bash marks right there to clear the torque arm for the 9-inch. Yeah, let me install this thing, and then this is actually the last piece of this, and then put the drive shaft in like that, and then take it for a spin. All right, well, that went unexpectedly. So recap. Obviously you see that drive shaft loop ain't in there all the way, so you put it in there and it hits torque arm. I'm not fighting it. Whatever, I'll get another one or something, or get a custom one or something. Not dealing with it. Transmission cross member, it went in there really well. It bolted right up. One of the UMI bolts stripped out, so I had to improvise and get my own. And you can see the stock drive shaft is still in there because the Sonax one wiggles up here and it's too loose and it's too short. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the drive shaft angle on this thing. And I'm gonna go ahead and call Mark Williams up and just fork over the money. Dirt. For a custom drive shaft that is correct. It actually has the correct slip yoke and everything. I'm tired of dealing with this. Like, this is annoying. So hopefully this thing doesn't vibrate that much. Hopefully this fixes it. But I'm gonna go ahead and set this angle real quick. I got this little, where it's somewhere, I don't know, digital angle finder. You put it on the this thing, my whopper right here. Just gonna set the angle with this right here. It should be at -2 in relation to like the crankshaft or whatever. So I usually just take a little measurement off that crankshaft and then go right here and just go -2. So I'm gonna do that real quick. So the torque arms you buy online, they come with this little manual freaking gauge. The thing sucks like so bad. This thing is awesome. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, there we go. So this thing is magnetic. You can flip it. It's 30 bucks. Dude, if you're just gonna spend the money, just get it. Just get it. It's well worth its weight in gold. So what you do, set that sucker up there like that. So I got it upside down right now because I want the magnet on top. So it says 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and zero this thing out. Click that, 0. Okay, so now we're zeroed out on this. I don't need to do any math. I just need to set that sucker on there and go -2. Okay, so now you can see it is on there. And it says 7. So that's -0.7 down. So I need to go more. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Come on. There we go. No, wrong way. So this way. Oh, come on. Stupid crescent wrench. There we go. So now it's going the correct way here. 9. So that's 1. 1.4. Let's set you guys down here. Tripod. There we go. Okay, now you guys can see. All right. Wrong way. 7, 8, 2.1. We're gonna call that good. 2.2. I'm sure it's gonna move some. So you go ahead and tighten these up right here. The top one is stationary. I actually, when I had the whole torque arm out, I actually took a couple threads out because it was actually bottomed out. I bought this thing used, so I don't know who did that, but it's not the correct way to do it. Come on. Tighten. Tighten. Okay, so it's 2.2. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in the car while it's in the jack stands and put it in gear, bring it up to 65 miles an hour, and then if it vibrates, I'm just gonna rotate the drive shaft 180. There's a thing called phasing on these. I actually marked the drive shaft, so it should be correct, but I've been wrong before. So let's set this down right here. I'm gonna leave that on 0. And I'm gonna leave this right here. And we're gonna look at the drive shaft while it moves. That's gonna be kind of cool. All right, let me get the keys. And it vibrated. So hopefully we got that on camera. I'm gonna go ahead and review the footage and see what I saw and see what I can do. Well, after cursing and throwing tools and stuff and whacking myself in the face with a crescent wrench, I think I'm gonna go ahead and try one more thing. This vibration and stuff is just really getting annoying. If this don't work, I'm taking it down. I'm gonna tighten everything up, take it down, and then I'm gonna order a PST drive shaft or a Mark Williams drive shaft or a yoke or something. Like, I mean, this is really annoying. But yeah, let me try that real quick and then get back on the road. Well, I'm pretty defeated, so I'm really done. Just gonna order a drive shaft. I can't get rid of the vibration. I don't know what's wrong with it. Whatever. Kind of tempted to go back to a 10 bolt. You know, that's how fed up I am with it. Yeah. So the drive shaft safety loop didn't work. New drive shaft didn't work. So the only thing I accomplished was putting a cross member in, and that's it. So I guess spending more money with Mark Williams, or I don't know, doing something. I don't know what we're doing. Anyway, see you.